Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the world of precision cooking with the INKBIRD Sous Vide Cooker, a 2.4G Wi-Fi enabled immersion circulator promising restaurant quality results right in your kitchen. If you've ever dreamt of achieving that perfect steak or succulent chicken breast every single time, this device might just be your new best friend. Let's get into what makes this sous vide cooker stand out. One of the headline features, and arguably the biggest draw for many, is its Wi-Fi remote control capability. With this INKBIRD cooker, you connect it to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network through the dedicated INKBIRD app. This means you can literally set, monitor, and adjust your cooking temperature and time from your smartphone, no matter where you are. Imagine starting a long sous vide session before you leave for work and being able to check its progress or make a slight adjustment from your office desk. The app even allows you to share administrative access with up to 100 family members, making collaborative meal preparation or delegating cooking tasks a breeze. This level of connectivity is a game changer for busy households. Now, let's talk about the core of any sous vide cooker: its precision. The INKBIRD boasts a 100-hour maximum timer, which is more than enough for even the longest, slow-cooked dishes. Its temperature range is also impressively broad, spanning from 32 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 to 90 degrees Celsius. What's crucial here is its accuracy, a stated ultra-precise plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit or 0.1 degrees Celsius. This level of control is what separates good results from truly exceptional ones. Whether you're using the preset cooking modes for common ingredients or creating your own custom profiles, this circulator aims to lock in your desired doneness with incredible consistency, mirroring what you'd expect from a professional kitchen. Safety is always a paramount concern in any kitchen appliance, and INKBIRD has integrated some smart alarm features into this unit. It automatically stops operation and triggers alarms if the water level drops below the minimum required line, preventing the device from overheating or running dry. Additionally, it will alert you when your target temperature is reached, preventing overcooking. These safety alerts are designed to provide peace of mind, informing you 24/7 so you never have to worry about an unattended cooking process. The user experience is also designed to be as effortless and quiet as possible. Attaching the cooker to any pot is straightforward thanks to its secure clamp. Once attached, you simply fill the pot with water, immerse your vacuum-sealed food, and set your desired temperature. You can do this directly on the cooker's intuitive interface or through the app. The operation is remarkably quiet, with noise levels below 40 decibels. This means you can have this running in the background without it becoming a distraction. The app also offers built-in recipes to inspire your culinary adventures and allows you to save your own custom dishes for easy recall. Finally, let's touch on the build and durability. The INKBIRD Sous Vide Cooker is described as a durable powerhouse, and this is thanks to its construction. It features a stainless steel heating column and a 1000-watt rapid heating element. This combination allows for faster water heating and consistent, precise temperature maintenance over extended periods. For anyone serious about sous vide cooking, a robust design that ensures long-term reliability is essential, and INKBIRD seems to have prioritized this. So, to recap, the pros are clear. The Wi-Fi connectivity and app control offer unparalleled convenience. The precision and wide temperature range deliver consistent, restaurant-quality results. The integrated safety features provide crucial peace of mind. It operates quietly, making it suitable for any kitchen environment, and the build quality suggests it's a durable investment. Are there any cons? Well, for some, the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi requirement might be a minor inconvenience if their network primarily uses 5 GHz. Also, while the app is feature-rich, the learning curve for some users might exist. And as with any connected device, there's always the reliance on a stable internet connection and the app's continued support. However, these are relatively minor points when considering the overall package. In conclusion, the INKBIRD Sous Vide Cooker with its 2.4G Wi-Fi and app control is a compelling option for anyone looking to elevate their home cooking. It blends advanced technology with user-friendly design and essential safety features, all at a price point that makes precision cooking more accessible than ever. Whether you're a seasoned sous vide enthusiast or a curious beginner, this immersion circulator offers a fantastic way to achieve perfect results with minimal fuss. Link in the description.